Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a professional looking drop-down menu in your Shopify store. It's a simple but powerful way to organize your navigation and help customers find products faster. Let's jump in. What is a drop-down menu? A drop-down menu is a nested menu that appears when you hover over or click a main navigation link like shop. Then you see options like men, women, accessories, and so on. Now access the navigation settings. Go to online store, then navigation. Here you will see all your menus. Most themes use the main menu as the top navigation bar. Click on main menu. Let's say we want a drop down under a main menu item called shop. Then click add menu item, name it shop, and link it to wherever you want, a collection, a page, or just leave it as hashtag if it's just a label. Hit add, then save menu. Now let's add the items that will go inside the drop-down. Click add menu item again, and this time add items like men's collection, women's collections, etc. For each one, select the correct link to the collection or page. Once added, drag them underneath and slightly to the right of the main shop item. That indentation tells Shopify it's part of a drop-down menu. Don't forget to save. Don't forget to hit save. Now let's check it live. Go to online store, then click view your store. Hover over the shop menu and boom, your drop down should appear with all the sub items nested underneath. A few pro tips: keep it clean, don't overload with too many sub items. Use icons or emojis in names for a fun touch. It's optional. Group items by logic like type, category, or gender. And if you are using a premium theme, check if it has mega menu support. That's even more powerful. You can also add drop downs to your footer menu the same way. Go to navigation, click footer menu, and uh, organize links like about us, privacy policy, FAQs under a main heading like customer service. Now from the product section, you can see here an option like collections. You can add collection like men's collection, summer collection right there. Just click create collection, name, uh, give it a title like summer collection. Then enter description. Then if you want add image, just select insert image, then click on it. Or you can add YouTube video. Just go to your YouTube and copy your video iframe, like click share, then embed and copy and paste here. That's it. Then click save. Your video is added. Now add image like that. Then you can select product from here like that, smartwatch. Don't forget to save, hit save, like and you can add inventory, purchase order, transfers, gift cards, etc. And that's it. Just go to online store, then navigation, then add menu item, then this time add items like men's collections, women's collections, etc. So so that's it. A clean, simple drop-down menu in Shopify in just a few minutes. Let me know in the comments what kind of store you are building. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.